Unlocking the promise, the future is bright. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that's not only popular in English conversations but also carries a powerful message of hope and optimism. The future is bright. Understanding this phrase will not only enhance your English vocabulary but also help you grasp a bit of the cultural optimism often found in English-speaking countries. Let's explore what this phrase really means and how you can use it in your conversations. At first glance, the future is bright might seem straightforward. However, it's packed with a deeper meaning. This phrase is an optimistic statement suggesting that the upcoming events or periods will be positive, successful, or beneficial. It's often used to express hope and confidence in what is to come, regardless of the current situation. The word bright, in this context, doesn't refer to physical light, but rather to the prospects or outlooks being favorable and promising. You might be wondering, when exactly can you use this phrase? The future is bright is versatile and can be used in both personal and professional contexts. Personal use. You can say it to friends or family when talking about future plans, dreams, or aspirations. It's a way of expressing support and optimism towards someone's goals or the outcome of a situation. Professional use. In a professional setting, this phrase can encourage colleagues or teams, especially during times of change or when embarking on new projects. It reassures that the efforts being made today are expected to lead to success. To help you understand better, let's look at some examples of how "the future is bright" can be used in sentences. After seeing the progress made on the project, the manager said, "I truly believe the future is bright for our team." During graduation, the principal might say, "With your hard work and dedication, the future is bright for all of you." When friends are planning a business together, one might say, "The future is bright for our venture, considering the innovative ideas we have." It's also useful to know some variations of the phrase that carry a similar meaning. Bright prospects are ahead. A promising future awaits. The outlook is positive. Understanding these variations will not only enrich your vocabulary but also help you recognize the sentiment in different conversations. And there you have it. The phrase, "the future is bright," is all about hope, optimism, and looking forward to positive outcomes. Whether you're talking about personal dreams or professional endeavors, using this phrase adds a layer of positivity to the conversation. We hope this video has brightened your understanding of this beautiful phrase and its usage in the English language. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about conveying emotions and ideas. Keep learning, and remember, the future is bright for your English learning journey.